Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate left to wake feature on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application, and after we have opened the settings application, we can scroll down a little bit until we find the advanced features. This one, click on this advanced features, and you have to select this motions and gesture section. And as you can see, this is the left to wake feature, and if you want to activate it, you just need to click on this toggle button. Alright, and now the left to wake feature has been turned on, and after you activate this feature, if you want to turn on your phone or turn on your screen, you don't need to press your power button. You just need to lift your phone, and then your phone will be turned on. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the lift to wake feature on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.